Did you know that 76% of buyers believe first impressions are crucial when visiting a property? Hi, I'm Alex, Darius Mrkonic's assistant. Even online, 66% agree that initial impressions matter. Your home needs to shine both in photos and in person. So let's dive right into it. Messy yards and poor exterior paint can make a home look neglected. Offensive odors and outdated flooring are major deterrents. Cluttered spaces and personalized decor make it hard for buyers to envision themselves in the home. Buyers often walk away, unable to see past these distractions. Regular lawn care and fresh paint can dramatically improve curb appeal. Deep cleaning and neutral paint colors create a welcoming environment. Updating fixtures and decluttering can enhance the home's perceived value. Consider the impact of clean windows and tidy yards. These small changes make a big difference, presenting your home as a blank canvas for buyers to imagine their future. By addressing these issues, you're ready to showcase your home in its best light. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Fresh paint, clean windows, and a tidy yard go a long way in creating that perfect first impression. Let's recap. First impressions matter, and simple fixes can enhance your home's appeal. By doing so, you'll attract more buyers and potentially increase your sale price. Present your home as a welcoming space for new beginnings. Ready to make a change? Start today by implementing these tips. Together, we can transform your home into a buyer's dream. Take action now and watch your home shine in the market. Well, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, and be sure to make it a wonderful day.